Note: this process should only be performed by professionals. We recommend visiting a professional electrical repair shop for the replacement. Please refer to this video for guidance during installation. Remove the battery and use a Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws on the back of the battery. Set the screws aside for later use. Carefully remove the battery cover. A flathead screwdriver can help with this. After removal, you'll notice a red wire inside the cover that connects the circuit board to the battery. Be careful not to pull or damage it. The bottom of the battery has two connectors that connect the battery to the discharge contacts. Disconnect both connectors. You'll notice that the battery discharge contact is secured with white adhesive to prevent any movement. The discharge contact corresponds to the yellow connector. Carefully detach the yellow wire from the discharge contact. You will need to remove the entire assembly. Since the adhesive has been applied, use a small knife to slowly cut it away, making sure not to damage the wires to avoid causing a short circuit. Note: this procedure should only be performed by professionals. We recommend visiting a professional repair shop for this replacement. If needed, we can provide the associated cost. When the adhesive becomes loose, take a small metal rod and heat it. A small hex wrench or a soldering iron works best for this. Slowly use the heated rod to remove the adhesive. You'll notice the adhesive coming off much more easily. Once the adhesive is removed, you can fully pull out the battery discharge contact. Gently push it out, and the entire contact assembly will be removed. Be sure to keep the two securing screws. Take the new battery discharge contact and note that the slot has corresponding holes. These need to align with the discharge contact position on the battery. If connected incorrectly, it could easily cause a short circuit. Pass the wire through the slot and install the two securing screws to attach the discharge contact. Note: this procedure should only be performed by professionals. We recommend visiting a professional electrical repair shop for the replacement. as personal attempts may lead to accidentally cutting the wire, causing a short circuit. After installing the new battery discharge contact, reconnect it to the power cable interface. Ensure both connectors are securely in place. Check that all wires are properly connected, ensuring there are no exposed or damaged wires. If any are found, cover them with electrical tape. Press the button on the battery cover and check if the indicator light turns on. If it's red, this means the circuit is functioning properly. Securely close the battery cover and reinstall it back into the battery base. Tighten all the screws to complete the installation. If the discharge contact on the bike also needs to be replaced, start by removing the screws of the battery cover. Note that the rear part of the cover is connected to the controller with a wire. The controller is located below the seat. Remove the front and rear screws that secure the controller, then replace the wire connecting the controller to the battery discharge contact. After replacing the wire, follow the original steps to reassemble it. Make sure the screw holes align properly and tighten them, as loose screws may cause the battery to wobble. Take the newly repaired battery and install it back into the battery cover. Align it with the slot and press it in. Turn on the bike and test whether it powers on. Twist the throttle to see if the rear wheel moves.